I found the best solution for storing my dice. Hi, it's Mona here. I am so excited about being one of scrapbook.com's holiday gift guide ambassadors. Today I am going to introduce you my crafty friend, Heidi. I named it after Heidi Swapp, the creator of this beautiful blush Memorydex, which is available only at scrapbook.com. It's included in this year's holiday gift guide booklet, where you can find super cool crafting supplies, which are perfect to ask from Santa. It's worth to check scrapbook.com daily because there are big sales coming. Black Friday and Christmas sales are coming, and there are new freebies daily. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's talk about my crafty friend. This beautiful tabletop Rolodex spinner was created originally for memory keeping, but when I saw it, I fell in love with it and I knew that I want it. And I will use it as a crafty assistant on my desk. My idea was to create colorful cards from heavyweight cardstock in rainbow order and turn it to my Word die cut organizer. So I get the memory dice for myself and I created lots of colorful cards. So many. When the massive die cutting was done, I put all my word dice to my desk and categorized them by basic words, special words, seasonal words, and alphabets. Then I ran them through my die cut machine with a heavyweight white cardstock. I chose white color because the white word die cuts will pop out more from the colorful cards. Next, I created labels with the names of die cuts. So anytime I'm using a metal die, I will know what is its name and which brand it is. I don't have a label maker, so I printed the names of the dies and the manufacturer to the project sticker paper. After I added the die cuts to their right place, I added the printed label. Then I turned the card and added on it a smaller piece of magnet, what I cut from leftover magnets. The metal dice will go here. I know this back is nothing fancy and pretty, but I can see it only when I am using it. And most importantly, it starts to be useful and not to be pretty. For me, this was a really important option to store the die cut and the word die cut at the same place. As you can see, it works perfectly and the word dice are not falling down because the heavyweight cardstock and the magnet. The spinner is very sturdy and the heavyweight card stays well on it. It's also stable when I am turning it because the anti-slip legs. What do you think about it? Let me know in your comment. I am decorating my first card with crafty related chipboards from page events to make my Heidi cuter. There are lots of useful supplies what you can buy separately to your Memorydex, like the dice in different shapes, or you can use the Memorydex hole punch as well. As always, you can find all the used supplies mentioned in the video description box. After adding all of my word dice and alpha samples to my Heidi, I still had room for other stuff. So in the future I will create my swatchbook cards too. This will be my winter project because I love to organize my supplies, and when I am not in a crafty mood, it helps me regain my crafty mojo. I can tell you I am in love with this blush amazingness. Heidi, thank you so much for this product. I really love it. I love how my rainbow storage cards look like, and it is super useful for my smaller dice. If you have any questions about this project, feel free to ask in a comment section. I am always happy to help. Don't forget to check the free gift guide booklet link below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have an amazing day. Bye!